Hey, what's up guys? I'm the Tong Man, and here you're looking at Big Red. We're a few days from the new year 2020, and today is officially the retirement of Big Red. I've teased it for this whole year, and it's finally time to let it rest. Big Red's been doing a great job throughout the years. It's finally time for Big Red to chill. Not gonna do much to it anymore. Definitely had no problems with it. Still in stock engine. It was an awesome car. I'm glad I had it. So quick little history of Big Red. Got it brand new back in January of 2008. It had 86 miles on the odometer. Picked it up, enjoyed the hell out of it. Kept it stock for about a year and a half. Didn't do anything to it. Just enjoyed it in stock form. Loved it. Decent gas mileage, fun to drive. VTEC kicks in really hard. And then after that, I added an eBay intake. I had a pseudo header and a vibrant catback, along with a Hondata base map. I loved it. Woke up the car, made it a little bit more fun to drive, but wasn't making too much. I think I put it on the dyno, put down 199 to the wheels. So after that, I swapped out some parts. Got a Skunk 2 MegaPower header, 4X exhaust, Skunk 2 3.5 inch intake, and got a custom tune by Tony K. It was really fun. Woke up the car even more, took it out to the drag strip, and was able to run low to mid 13s with it on slicks, which I was really happy with. And then a year or two afterwards, I decided to pick up the CT kit. I've always loved the Supercharger on the K20s. Love the whine of it. Love the ease of installation. And I just loved how it woke up the torque and the power of the K20. So I'll put that in, completely base kit, dynoed 285 on a DynoJet, which wasn't much, but it made the car a lot more fun to drive. And then throughout the years, I've upgraded parts to it, put on a smaller pulley, added an aftercooler, added a fuel return, went E85, and eventually ended up making 380 to the wheels. So as it sits now, this car can run mid to low 11s with on slicks, and it doesn't look like much, you know. All it has are wheels, a hood, and a lip kit. That's all it has. So it's like a sleeper. Surprised a lot of people on the streets. Yeah, but let me pop the hood, show you guys what's beneath the monster. Alright, so MP62 blower, 2.95 inch blower pulley, aftercooler from MercRacing, Skunk 2 3.5 inch intake, DyatschWerks 1200cc injectors, DyatschWerks 300C fuel pump, fuel return, NoNonSense, aftercooler kit. Other than that, the engine's pretty much stock. Has a Type S oil pump, dual valve springs from Eman, stock pistons, stock rods, yeah, a lot of people don't believe me. They think it's built, but it's really not. Skunk 2 header in the back, 3-inch exhaust. Yeah, but with this basic setup, you could do 11s. Yeah, so this is just a little quick farewell to Big Red. I've raced a lot of cars, surprised a lot of big fish on the streets, a lot of V8s, a lot of boosted setups, boosted Hondas, EGs, EKs, B18 turbos, B20s, K20 swaps, Mustangs, CTSVs, all these fast cars on the streets. Big Red can hang toe to toe with them. So yeah, it's sad to say it, but it's time for Big Red to take a rest, retire. I'm looking to build something else. I'm really looking at an S2000, see what I can do with it, and just let Big Red sit. Maybe sometimes take it out to the racetrack just for fun, but nothing really competitive with it anymore. Yeah, and if you want to see Big Red's kills and matches, check out my YouTube channel. Just browse through them. I have a lot of content throughout the years. Big Red's been taking care of business for over 10 years now. I think like 11 years, because I started modding and racing it back in 09, I think, and now it's 2020. So yeah, it's a good 11 years, and nothing has really broken down on the engine, and I drive the car, you know. I put the metal pedal to the metal. Is that what they say? Yeah, every time I take it out, man, that engine screams. Revs up to 8,600 RPM. I could take it up to 9,000, no problem, and it could do it safely. Yeah, but this car had given me no issues, no problems at all. It was a great build, great and simple build. Yeah, so you probably won't be seeing much more content of Big Red anymore, because I'm not planning to do much to it anymore. Let it sit as it is right now, and focus on a different project. Yeah, but thanks for watching, guys, and hopefully you had fun with me with Big Red throughout the years. All right, thanks for watching.